Dear students, in unit number 1, the second topic is Galilean transformations. So, let us consider two inertial frames of reference S and S dash. Here are two frames S and S dash. In S, the axes are X, Y, Z and origin is O. In S dash, the axes are X dash, Y dash, Z dash, origin is O dash. S dash is moving with uniform velocity V with respect to S such that O dash coincides O at t is equal to t dash is equal to 0. Let certain event occurs at point P. So this is point P in the space whose coordinates are x, y, z, t with respect to S and x dash, y dash, z dash, t dash with respect to S dash respectively. The transformations of coordinates of an event from S to S dash or S dash to S are called Galilean transformations of coordinates. Let the position vectors of event in S and S dash are R vector and R dash vector from vector diagram O dash P. So this is vector diagram O dash P, where this distance is Vt, that is the distance traveled by frame S dash with velocity V in time t. We have from this vector diagram R dash vector is equal to plus R dash vector plus V vector t is equal to R vector, or R dash vector is equal to R vector minus V vector t. This is equation number 1. This equation represents Galilean transformation. In Cartesian system of coordinates, R vector is equal to I cap x plus j cap y plus k cap z. R dash vector is equal to I cap x dash plus j cap y dash plus k cap z dash. And V vector is equal to I cap Vx plus j cap Vy plus k cap Vz. Hence the Galilean transformations defined by equation number 1 become x dash is equal to x minus Vxt, y dash is equal to y minus Vyt, z dash is equal to z minus Vzt, and t dash is equal to t. This is equation number 1, and these are called as main Galilean transformation equations. The case may be if S dash is moving along x direction, Vx is equal to V and Vy and Vz will be 0. Then the transformations defined by number 2 become x dash is equal to x minus Vt, y dash is equal to y, z dash is equal to z, and t dash is equal to t. So these are the Galilean transformations when the frame S dash is moving along x direction. Now the consequences of Galilean transformations. Number 1. Distance between 2 points. In frame S, distance between 2 points is defined by dx square, that is the square of the distance, is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. Also in frame S dash, ds dash square is equal to x2 dash minus x1 dash square plus y2 dash minus y1 dash whole square plus z2 dash minus z1 dash whole square. On putting the values from Galilean transformations in second, ds dash square is equal to x2 minus vt minus x1 plus vt whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square, which is equal to ds square. Therefore, distance between 2 points remains constant. Now we come to the second consequence, velocity of a body. So we have this equation number 2. These are the main Gilliland transformation equations. Differentiating these transformations, we get dx dash is equal to dx minus vxt, dy dash is equal to dy minus vy dt, dz dash is equal to dz minus vzt dt, and t dash is equal to dt dash is equal to dt. These are equations number 1, 2, 3, 4. On dividing equation number 1, 2, 3 by 4 respectively, we get dx dash upon dt dash is equal to dx upon dt minus vx, or ux dash is equal to ux minus vx. This is equation number 5. Similarly, dy dash upon dt dash is equal to dy upon dt minus vy, or uy dash is equal to uy minus vy, equation number 6. Similarly, for z axis, dz dash upon dt dash is equal to dz upon dt minus vz, or uz dash is equal to uz minus vz, equation number 7. On multiplying equation number 5, 6 and 7 by I cap, j cap and k cap respectively and adding, we get I cap ux dash plus j cap uy dash plus k cap uz dash is equal to I cap ux plus j cap uy plus k cap uz minus I cap vx minus j cap vy minus k cap vz. That is u dash vector is equal to u vector minus v vector. Either u dash vector is equal to u vector plus minus v vector. This is equation number 8. So here we note that velocity in Gilliland transformation is not constant. Now the next consequence is acceleration of a body. This is equation number 8. Differentiating this equation, du dash vector is equal to du vector plus minus 0. 0 means differential of constant velocity, uniform velocity v is equal to 0. And we have dt dash is equal to dt. On dividing these two equations, we get du dash vector upon dt dash is equal to du vector upon dt. So these are the accelerations, that is a dash vector is equal to a vector. This is equation number 9. Therefore, acceleration in Gilliland transformation is constant. Now we come to the last consequence of Gilliland transformation equations, force on a body. On multiplying equation number 9 by m, we get m a dash vector is equal to m a vector, or f dash vector is equal to f vector. Therefore, force is also constant in Gilliland transformations. Thank you so much.